Hi everyone, welcome back to another yummy delicious recipe on JD's home. Today we are making groundnut okra soup. Let's look at all our ingredients. You need your freshly chopped okra, you need your groundnut. This is my groundnut after frying. You need your whatever proteins of choice, garlic, ginger, onions. You need some blended crayfish. You need some white pepper, some salt, and some seasoning cubes. I always use Maggi crevette. You blend your groundnuts, blend your garlic, ginger, and onion, and then you start by putting your groundnut in a pot. So it's thick. After blending, I'm going to add some water just to make it runny, and then I'm going to allow it to boil. So you're going to allow your groundnut to boil for about, let's say, 30 minutes till you're sure that it's properly cooked. Allow it to boil. You want to be close to your pot, especially if your pot is covered, because it is going to spill over, like it's going to bubble up and then spill over. So yeah, this is what our groundnut is looking like after boiling. I'm going to come in with my garlic, ginger, and onion paste. At this point, I bring in my boiled kanda and meat. You could add fish, whatever protein you prefer. I'm going to add some white pepper. I didn't use all of my white pepper. I realized it was a lot. I came in with my Maggi crevette. You guys, use Maggi crevette for this recipe. What did I say? I said use Maggi crevette for this recipe. It will turn out really good. So mix everything up together. Add some water. It was thickening up really fast. You know, when you add okra into this, it's going to become really thick. So that's why I added some more water, and then I came in with my okra. Once you add your okra, you guys, I don't know about you, but I do not cook okra for too long. 15 minutes is enough. The okra is going to be okay. It doesn't scratch, it wouldn't hurt. In fact, some people eat raw okra, so I don't like to cook my okra for so long, like boiling it for too long till it gets black. So once I've added I add my okra when I've added every other thing. Of course, I've not yet added oil, and I have not added crayfish, but yeah, I go ahead to add my okra, mix it up. You want to combine it well, add a little more water, because you guys know how okra is. When you add it to the pot, it just becomes really thick. So you need to add some water, and that's just what I did. So I have heard some people say that when you cover your okra, it reduces the draw from the okra, like it's not longer slimy. So I tend to cover it because I don't like my okra to be too slimy. So I just always cover it, and I believe that it actually works. So I always cover my pot for a bit, maybe like 5 minutes, and then I open it up after, because if you cover it for too long, it would bubble up and then start pouring out. So yeah, but when I'm cooking okra, I'm mostly just in the kitchen. I don't go anywhere far. So I am adding my pepper. You guys know I hardly blend pepper when I'm cooking, especially things like this, because my last born, he's 3 years old, and I like for him to be able to enjoy food like this, and blending the pepper will just cause him not to be able to eat, and I don't want that. So just drop some pepper, add some crayfish, add some oil, allow it for a minute or two, and we are done cooking. Okay. That's your groundnut okra soup. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video.